Today we're going to play a game. It is called What's for Dinner. Each player is going to be dealt 4 cards. They should be organized just like this. You cannot look at those. Once everybody has their 4 cards, you are going to peek under the bottom 2. Do not show anybody. So I need to remember that I have a number 8 and I also have a number 7. The goal of this game is to get the lowest number. So there is going to be a pile, I'll put this right up here, where you are going to first choose. So there's going to first be a draw card. So I can choose, do I want to pick up this 5 and replace it with one of these cards? Or do I want to pick up a new card? Since I know that I have an 8 here, I am actually going to take this card and I am going to replace it. Now, because this does say a task and it was coming from my 4 cards, I do not do this. You only complete a task if it says, like this says personal peek at one of your own cards. You do not get to do that unless you picked it up from this pile right here and then we're playing that card. So the next person would go, and if it is my turn again, I am going to pick this one up. So I have a 3. I don't know what is in the back 2. So I'm just going to take a little risk and I am going to replace this back one and I'm going to put the 3. So nobody should have seen that I had a 3. This one was a 1. Well, that wasn't a great decision, but somebody else can probably play that 1. You keep going until, so if I know this one was a 7, but I'm just going to, just because I don't want to, oh man, that was a 0. Okay, so that is the best card that we can get. So somebody obviously would be playing that. Now, I'm just going to, for the sake of these directions, if I happen to pick up a 7, since this does have directions on it, then if I would play this one and put it down and not change it out, then I actually get to peek at one of my own cards. You only play whatever you are putting down from this pile if it has something to do. The goal of this game is to get the lowest number between all 4 of your cards. One trick is if somebody discards a number that you know you have, so if I see that somebody discarded a 5 and nobody else has played anything and I put down my 5 right on top of that, now I'm down to only 3 cards. Only one person can put down the card first, so it is the first person that has the same exact card that can put it down. So nobody else can put another 5 on here and get rid of their 5 as well. Once you think that you have the lowest hand, you are going to say, what's for dinner? At that point, everybody is going to reveal all of their cards and you are going to add up all of the numbers. So here I would have 16 points. That is not a great hand. Now, if I called what's for dinner and I do not have the lowest number here, I would have to get a 10-point penalty. So I would have 16 points plus another 10 points, which is 26 points. So I would record that. Everybody else gets the points that they have on their paper or on their cards. If you call what's for dinner and you do have the lowest point value, then you get 0 points for that round. Everybody else gets whatever numbers they have on all 4 of their cards or however many cards you have. You cannot call what's for dinner until after the second time that you have gone, and it'll be the start of your 3rd round. So you cannot just start off by saying what's for dinner to reveal everything. You have to go through at least 2 full rounds before anybody can say what's for dinner to reveal all of the cards. You will write down all of your points. The goal is to get the lowest number, and we will continue playing until the timer goes off. Once you are done with 1 round and have recorded all of your points, shuffle up all of the cards and you will start a new round. So again, always 4 cards, and you can only peek under the 2 that are closest to you.